Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making Rotel Dip. This was such a fun and easy recipe. I will be leaving the recipe down below in the description box. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. This is also a one-pot dish, so it's super easy, super fast, and delicious. Everybody will love it. Let me show you how I made it. To start off, we'll be making our ground turkey. You can use ground beef or any type of meat you like, but I prefer ground turkey because it has less fat and it's better. Before I add any seasonings, I just kind of break down the meat first. I don't fully give it a good mix or anything. I just break it down so that I can evenly spread out the seasonings later. For the seasonings, I don't go too crazy on it because we are using a lot of cheese, which is salty. So all I used is creole seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. That is it. I promise you, that's all you need. The cheese has enough salt as is. Now you just want to give your meat a really good mix, and you just cook it until the meat is brown and fully cooked. You don't want any pink in there because that is raw and not good for you. This is the part where you can add in your jalapenos, onions, garlic, anything you want, but I just decided to keep it simple. Now I'm adding in my cheese. I use the Velveeta brand Mexican and the Queso Blanco. You can use the original, but these just gave it more flavor. Now I also added in 1 can of 12-ounce Rotel tomatoes, or whatever it's called, in the mild flavor. Now this part you do have to have patience because it does take a while for the cheese to fully melt. You have to occasionally give it a stir. I do have my heat on low so it doesn't burn, but just continuously stir until the cheese is like fully melted. Once it starts melting like this, I added in the rest of my cheese. If you're enjoying the video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's one of my favorites. It's really easy to make. This is also perfect for gatherings, game nights. Whenever you have people over and you're a little appetizer, this is the perfect recipe. As you can see, our dip is coming together, but I added in heavy cream to give it even a bit more creamy texture because it is a little thick right now, but with the heavy cream, it makes it a bit thinner and a bit more creamier. Just make sure you are mixing this really well because there will be clumps of cheese that's like hiding in the sauce. It looks good already. All I did next was cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it should look like this. Creamy, cheesy, delicious Rotel Dip. One of my favorite recipes. This part is optional, but if you're serving it to guests, I would suggest sprinkling some cheese on top and some parsley flakes. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this a try. You will love this. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on the next video.